Te Ara Whanake is Downer's Māori leadership program. It's been running since 2014, and originally it was built to build some leadership capacity within the Downer business. It became very clear early on that it wasn't just about leadership within the business, it was more about building leadership in the community, at home, and then it started to focus on, well, actually, it's all about well-being and who you are as a person. So the original concept's gone from being a corporate leadership program to actually being one around personal development and how you can contribute back to not only the company, but your community, your sports clubs, and most importantly, your own family.
Te Ara Whanake will challenge and confront each rōpū, and it will connect them to their whakapapa, to their culture, to each other, and most importantly, to their limitless potential. Nau mai hara mai ki Te Ara Whanake.
Our relationship with Te Puni Kōkiri and them supporting us and trusting in what we deliver has, provided huge benefits for our people.
The program typically takes place over a 6-month period with 3 two-day wānanga. The program is not just offered to Downer employees, but we also offer Te Ara Whanake to other corporate organisations, as well as hapu and iwi. Te Ara Whanake leans heavily into te ao Māori concepts of whanaungatanga, kotahitanga, manaakitanga, and aroha, to empower and inspire our people with the skills and knowledge that they need to boost their personal growth and confidence, and in doing so, unlock their leadership potential.
What does a good Māori leader look like? What does a good leader look like? Us.
Yeah, I'm really glad I came. Yeah, it's like a whole big family in there, so I'm really, really happy.
I feel like I can learn a lot more, especially from the other people that are here from the different parts of Downer as well.
The storytelling and how people introduce themselves and create connections with each other. It adds a level of deepness to conversations and actually knowing people.
Just think it's going to be nice connections with everybody. Just feel like got a place, a belonging.
For me personally, it's reconnecting with my Māori side as well. Good leadership skills so that I can bring back to my job and to also with my whānau as well.
I haven't been on a marae since I was a kid. I haven't had to learn my pepeha since I was in primary school, and that was the shock, the getting out of my comfort zone part.
Well, I'm privileged, first of all, honoured. You don't really much see us Māori rangatahi at my age or any younger wanting to exceed, they don't really see any pathways at this early age, which this course really helped me, which helped me find easier pathways to, wanting to become better, wanting to become bigger in roles, and yeah.
I hope to take a few things, not just back to my workplace, but back into my family life, take some skills back there and be able to incorporate it there just to become a better person, and just the way I come across to people as a leader, sort of thing, yeah, bro.
And why are you here?
To be the best me, brother. Yeah, to be the best me, brother.
And our wānanga end how they begin, with ritual, with kai, with laughter, with waiata and with haka, and also deep, meaningful connections to each other and their whakapapa. And also perhaps a curiosity as to what lays ahead. Whakamaua kia tīna, tīna, haumie huie, ai.